Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change the fan clutch on your Ford 4.6, in my case, 97 Lincoln Town Car. You can do it without these tools, but take my advice for the 15, 16, 17, whatever dollars these cost, just go ahead and get it. The larger end of this is a 36 millimeter wrench. And if you don't believe me, go price a 36 millimeter combination wrench like this one. You'll get sticker shock. Anyway, and then hang on one second here. And then you're going to want to get this as part of the kit, and this is to hold the water pump pulley steady, because your problem with this is the water pump wants to spin even if the belt's on it. You may need a little bit of penetrating lubricant, and you're going to need a 10 millimeter long-ish wrench, and then maybe a flashlight. So here I've taken the fan shroud off, and it's pretty simple. So you're going to see where, the water pump there. I've already removed 2 of the 10 millimeter screws, and you're going to attach that bar to it, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, I'm going to try to illustrate this as best as I can. So you're going to attach this bar with 2 of the 10 millimeter screws onto that water pump pulley, and all this is doing is giving you leverage to hold it steady while you put the other 36 millimeter wrench on to this central nut, or whatever you want to call it, if it wants to fit. Whoops, wrong side. All right, so that's what it's going to look like, basically, and you're going to push that one this way and that one that way, and it's going to be on there tight. Now, keep in mind, sometimes these are reverse threaded, meaning that nut back there. So if your fan spins this way to the left, then it's going to be threaded like a standard nut, meaning righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If your fan spins the opposite way, it's going to be reverse threaded, so keep that in mind. All right, so once you've unthreaded that, now you're left with your fan and clutch assembly. You've got 4 8 millimeter bolts to undo, and then this fan clutch is going to come off. All right, sorry about the shaky video, but I can only do this with my camera phone right now. Anyway, so once you loosen up those 8 millimeter screws, and they're going to be on there kind of tight, so you may need a little cheater bar or some penetrating lube. Now, these can go bad of 2 ways. This little spring here in the middle is what activates it. It's like a temperature sensitive coil that engages it. Now, these can start making rattly noises like a bearing going out, or they can just seize up altogether. When you put your new one on, definitely put some anti-seize in there, because this is an area that does get a lot of engine heat. Or you can go ahead and convert to an electric fan if you want to. But anyway, pretty straightforward. Definitely worth buying the tools. And I'm getting another wrench that I'll show you guys next time that I think is a really great kind of cheat code for these things, without having to buy some really expensive wrenches. Anyway, hope you found it helpful.